What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Jess Nichole here. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing a multifunctional 5D full leg massager. Professional leg care, 12 intensity levels. We're gonna get into it. This is the box that it came in, obviously. You know we love all things fitness, recovery, health, wellness, so I'm super excited to review this product today. Before we get started, make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Jess Nichole and my fitness page at Just Right Fitness. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, my loves, before we get into the leg massager, I actually want to highlight this beautiful necklace that I have got from Amazon, an Amazon seller. So I just want to tell you guys a little bit about it. The diamond is a moissanite stone. It is 2 carats in the middle diamond, and the overall weight is 5 carats altogether. It is 14 karat gold plated. It comes with this certificate of authenticity to show you that it is a real stone, and the GRA is an independent jewelry institute that specializes in identifying gemstones and jewels. So while it may not be a real diamond, it is a real gemstone. It is moissanite. It comes with this little manual that shows you all about the diamond, which I thought was really cool. It came in this packaged in this beautiful box here. So this is actually the perfect gift for your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, your friend, and even comes with it comes with a card that you can put a message to your loved one, to my whatever, you make my life brighter, and it has little lines. And it even comes with this card for a message inspiration, which is really cool. So for your daughter, your mother, your wife, your girlfriend, it gives you different little things you could write to them. So I thought that was really cool. But let's do a little close-up on this. 'Cause isn't she lovely? She's adorable. She's a beaut for sure. For sure. Gold plated. It does have an adjustable chain here, so you can wear it a little tighter if you want. But I think she's so beautiful. She's so elegant. She's so simple. And it looks like a real diamond necklace. Yeah, so with that being said, let's get back into the leg massager. Okay, guys, so this is the bag that it comes in. We love a good carrying case. It is the BelHope brand. And this is my first time opening it, so everything is live reaction. Haven't tried it at all yet. Okay, looks like we got nothing but the leg massager. Everything is still in the packaging. This is the adapter and remote control, and these are the legs. Pretty simple, pretty to the point. We love that. I'm sitting on the floor because it's just easier for me to open things up and to show things than to have to set up on a table. All right, let's give her a try. So aside from that, the box also comes with a instruction manual, and this is probably a power adapter. Yes, this is the power adapter that we plug into the remote control. Started, get everything fired up. I have not used anything yet. So yes, this is everything that comes in the bag: the air compression massagers, carrying bag adapter, and the user manual. So now we are looking at the remote, which shows here is the power button, obviously. Here is a pause button. Here is to increase the intensity. Here is to decrease the intensity. M is a mode. The middle button is a timer button. And of course, this is an LCD screen. It actually still has a film on it, so I haven't taken the plastic off. So it looks a little better when you take it off. And yeah, let's go and give it a try, see what the different modes are. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. This is the right leg. It tells you which one is which is good, because the other one I tried did not. So right leg is here. You can unzip it if you need to, but I didn't need to, so we'll unzip it. My right leg. And then let's get the left leg in there. All right, I'm excited. Okay, from here, I'm gonna hit the power button. Okay. I wanna increase the intensity to the highest Looks like the highest it goes is 240. Let's read about it while it does that. It looks like it has 6 different massage modes: auto, cycle, recovery, pinch, press, and relax. In the power on state, short press to switch mode. See how we can tell what different modes were. Cycle, recovery, pinch, press, relax. Let's put it in recovery mode because I love recovery. So let's see what recovery is like. Yeah, intensity goes up to 240 with the lowest being 60. The timer, you can do a 10-minute, 20-minute, or 30-minute interval. And it even has a memory function where it retains the last used intensity. Right now it's compressing my feet, which feels really good. And now you can see it's getting towards my calves. Delicious, perfect after a leg day. We love that. And that's really it. Everything else is kind of like troubleshooting, operation, specification. I love these leg massages because they are usually very to the point, straight to the point. And this one was definitely that. Now we just sit here and vibe. And it does show you probably can't see it from over there, but it does show you on the LCD. It shows you on the screen. I don't know what to call it. It shows you on the screen what part of the leg is being compressed. So right now it's compressing my calves, and now it's working its way up to my knees. I'm not sure if you can see the compression happening here, but it is, and it's delicious. Really, really great for blood flow, recovery, circulation, you know, stimulating the muscles and getting the blood flowing. It's basically like taking your muscles. I wouldn't say massaging it because you're not like working through the tightness, but you're compressing it, pushing it, and then releasing it to a point where blood flow has no choice but to circulate. I really want to see how it feels on my quad. Okay, 240 might have been a little crazy. I feel like I'm getting constricted by a anaconda. Okay, 240 is pretty intense. It's now releasing from my knee. So that's one thing that this one seems to not have, which I don't like, is I cannot specify which part of the leg that I want it to compress. Because I accidentally turned it off and now I'm turning it back on and it's starting from my feet again. And I really wanted to feel how it feels on my thighs. So I guess we gotta start with my feet, and then now it's working its way up to my calves again. Although I really wanted to feel it on my quad, leaving the calves, now circulating into the knees, which feels really good. Ooh, we're working up to the thighs now. That feels incredible after a leg day. I think my only con about these is that it's not hitting my glutes. And you guys know I'm a glute girly. Granted, there are some of these that do work your glutes, but this one doesn't go all the way up to my glutes. But I know they make some that do the glutes. This is incredible. This feels really good. That's tight. I got it at 230 compression. Oh my god, now it's compressing my entire leg. Okay. This is delicious. Okay, so it keeps the entire thing. I'm on recovery mode, remember that. So it's keeping the entire thing compressed and then just slowly letting go certain areas, because I'm gonna be honest, my thighs feel like they are about to explode. They are extremely compressed right now. I probably didn't need as much compression as I have in here right now. Compressing and then releasing and compressing and releasing. So it's really getting the blood circulating in there. I'm about to get out of here though, because this is very, very tight. So now it's pulling all the air out. Oh, that actually feels so good, that blood flow. That feels really good. Alrighty, my loves, that concludes today's product review. I certainly hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. You know I love a good massaging recovery tool. So with that being said, make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Jess Nichole and my fitness page at Just Right Fitness. I will be putting all of the information to this leg massager in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Any special codes, all the links, everything you need will be down below. If you love this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.